Research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, rear view camera, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration. You are going to love the 2017 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level. From its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.